Hi art students, it's Mrs. McIver, and I am going to show you an easier way to use a grid for your drawing. Last week we talked about the square grid method, but today I'm going to show you an easier way that doesn't involve any measuring. So I will be using a red Sharpie just so that it shows up on the video. You should be using a pencil. All right, you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, a photograph of your image, and some paper to work on. And this is a 9x12 sketchbook, which is the same size paper that you have. So the first thing I want to do is find the center point of my image. So I'm going to start at one corner, and I'm going to draw a straight line diagonally to the other corner. So right here, and I'm drawing a line down. Okay, and do the same thing over here. Right there. All right, this is the center point of my image. So now I need a horizontal line that goes right through the middle. So I'm going to start here, and for this you can eyeball it. I mean, technically we could measure, but I don't think we need to worry about it here. And so right here I'm doing another line right through the center vertically. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. All right. I'm going to use this as my grid for my paper. So now I'm going to get my paper out, and on my paper I'm going to do the same exact thing. So you're going to want my ruler's not quite big enough, but we'll try and eyeball it here just for the purpose of our video. So I'm going to kind of carry this down, and then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Extend this down. I'm going to go right through the middle. And then I'm also going to go through the middle vertically. So I have vertical and horizontal lines cutting right through the middle. All right, so now, even though my picture is smaller, on my paper I have the same exact grid, so I can enlarge this if I want to draw it on here. Like I said, I really want you guys to use pencil. I'm going to go ahead and use a black Sharpie for my example, just because it shows up better on the video. All right, so if I look at this, this is square 2, okay, just like in my video, and I can see that the mouth of this jar extends down like that. And then right here, it comes down. And right here, I've got an inside lip, and it's going to follow the same curve. And so basically, you're just going ahead and you're trying to match this image with this paper so that you get a likeness. And so this goes about halfway through, so I'm going to make this my starting point. And then it's going to curve around right here. Okay. And then I'm just going to keep drawing. Okay. And I've got kind of this sort of darker area right there. Okay. And if you have a pencil, you can kind of touch up those lines that didn't quite mesh there. All right. So this is what you want to do for a quick and easy grid.